Hey Max, thanks for looking at my other videos and liking them and subscribing. So I logged into the back end and I see that the theme isn't even activated. I don't know if you did that on purpose, you probably did. But to do that, we just go over to themes. I don't know, this is in a different language. So I think this is Dutch and I don't speak it, but I'm going to give it my best. Okay, so you go to themes and then you press activate. And now it's activated and we can see if we just go to the view the site, we see now that the new theme is activated. Now every theme is different, so what I want to show you is not on this particular theme what to do, but on any theme. So the first thing I do is let's minimize this window. And sorry, my desktop is a mess. It's been a long day. But after we unzip the zip file, we just go in and we see the documentation right here. Just open it up and then we can click this PDF. And there it is. And we can see that the PDF has all the information we need to get it started, get your theme going. So we can see setting up the home page, adding slides to the home page. There are a couple things that you do need. You need to know how to resize images. You can either do that in WordPress or Photoshop if you have it, or any other picture editor. So it just says, getting started. We've already installed it. It says setting up the home page. So it says we have to add a new page. And you just go through it and it says setting up the blog and the portfolio, and it really depends on what you want to do in order to get what you want. So let's just take a look at see if we can see some of the options on here. So if we just go to theme options now, we can see that we have slider options. I think this is the homepage slider. And we can put in different images. I don't know if you've already done this or if it comes like that or what, but we can see that it's not there, but it's somewhere. Oh, if we enable it, we can enable it. And we can save all changes, and hopefully this will work. I think this is the homepage slider. And maybe not. Okay, so you really have to just read that whole documentation, and that will tell you how to do pretty much anything. So I've read some of the options, and let's see if I can get something to work. I think that says pages. So let's add a new page. This is the home page. This is the home page. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to use not the standard template, but I don't know if you can see this. Let me move this a little bit up. But the home template right here. So I think that might be what activates the slider and maybe what you're having problems with. It's all in the theme documentation. And we can publish it. And then once we've done that, we can view it. I don't know what that says. Maybe that's view it. There we go. Then we see the home page slider is there. Whoops. And that's link 1 and that's link 2, and these are way too big of images, so you're going to need to resize them and make them the proper width and height. And you could do that in Photoshop, or You could do that in WordPress. And the way you do it in WordPress, I think, is you press this button and um, anyways, my Flash isn't working right now, but let's translate this. Oh, you could choose files. Okay. And then we can edit the image. And you can change it here. You can change the width and height right here. So in the theme options, it tells you how big or small it needs to be, and you can scale the images here. Then you just press the crop and save. We can crop it somehow. That's not letting me do it right now, but it will allow you to do it pretty easily. So and then once we have this home page, we want to set the front page to the home page. So we can go to general, I think. And no, read, that's it. And we can select the home page as the home page from that we just made from our pages. So we just made a page called a home page, and we want to set that as the front page. And just press Save Changes. And we can view the site now if we go just back to your regular site. And we see that there is the home page. Oh, and it resized for you pretty well. So, but it's not showing this other one because it's not the correct width. Once you have it the correct width, then it will show much nicer for you. The other options are probably in the widgets, I would say. Or does that say widgets? Oh, widgets, there you go. And, oh, great, translate. So I think here are the sidebar widgets. So we can go drag this up maybe. Where is this? And you can put in HTML and pictures. If you want to do web stuff, you should really learn HTML. So you can put that in there just to get images showing up. And see, then that's another one of your things. And then there's three of them. There's one right here, and one right here. So diddy dum. I think that will set you on your way. You really do just need to read the documentation. So just, all you had to do for that is go to unzip the zip and go to documentation and really just read through it. It says setting up the home page, go to pages, add new, and then yeah, it shows you how to add slides and setting up the blog, and shows you how to do a portfolio. And for that, you have to make that default theme to portfolio, and you can add different options to it. And make sure you resize your images. And that is about it, I think. And this is a pretty simple theme. To set up your menu bar, let me show you how to do that. You just go back into the back end, and somewhere it says menu, display menus right there. And once you start adding pages, you can put a new menu in, press create menu, and then add those pages to the menu bar, and that will be all up here. Alright, I hope that helped.